Charlie Bravo Bravo 4 Delta Sierra Bravo 42 requesting taxi clearance to runway 29 left.
And get this, she comes onto the plane with 2 cats. So ridiculous. And then there's this other woman who has like 1,000 pounds of luggage. Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to put your phone on airplane mode. Can you hold on for a second? Excuse me, I'm on the phone. Thank you. This flight attendant just demanded that I get off the phone. Are you in a tunnel right now? I can't really hear you. No, my reception should be fine. They offer Wi-Fi.
This is your captain speaking. We're at our approached 17,000 feet. We're going to be at our cruising altitude for today. Feel free to walk around the cabin. And oh my god, what is happening? I can't hear anything. Somebody's on their mobile devices. Delta Bravo, mayday, mayday, mayday. We're going down. We've lost both engines. I cannot control the plane.
Just hold on for a second. Could we maybe tone it down with the turbulence, please? I'm on the phone. There's just so much turbulence. Hold on, I'm gonna have to hang up.